Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this I'm going to compare the black color crush issue from the Mi11X versus the Realme X1 Max device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers. Can you please compare the Mi11X versus Realme X1 Max? They want to know what is happening with the Realme X1 Max and what is happening with the Mi11X device regarding the black color getting crush issue. So here's a Realme X1 Max phone which I'm trying to use, and here's a Mi11X device which has got the black color crush issue. And let's see how much difference can it be there between these both phones. That's what my main point of making this video, and I'm trying to play the same video in both phones. And if you want to notice the black color crush issue, I need to turn off the lights. Even you can actually see, but while recording it's not possible to see the black color crush issue, friends. So that's the reason I need to turn off the lights a little bit to make the environment slightly kind of dark. And now the environment is little bit dark. You can actually see the surrounding area, how it is like crush issue is going on, but not that much in the Realme X1 Max, as you can see exactly in this scenario. So I'm not using any filters, nothing is enabled in the Mi11X device. So no filter, as you can see friends, the transformation, how did it happen? Try to watch in the slow motion, you'll definitely able to understand. So try to observe this area exactly, as you can see this spot, that spot, you will get to know clear idea what is going on. Yep, this is what is called the black color crush issue. In the Realme X1 Max, you cannot see any kind of crush issue is happening in the black colors especially. Try to look at this black color here. It's kind of decent, not problem. But in the Mi11X device, you can see here what is going on. So this is actually visible for your eyes. Yeah, you can actually see it while watching the videos. If you're planning to buy the phone for viewing content, then definitely this may also impact a little bit of your viewing experience. And you can clearly see what is going on. And still the problem not yet got fixed, and the users who actually bought in the first sale as well, still they are facing the issues. As you can see, I'm getting plenty of comments saying that even the Mi11X users who did buy in the first sale, they are actually facing, as you can see. So even few of the Mi11X users, I did get a lot of messages regarding the black color crush issue. But as you can see, recently I started to investigate what is happening. Before I did not look into this kind of issue, but right now people are asking me to make a videos. That's the reason I'm trying to look into the issue. So right now I am not adding any kind of filters. No filters are used. It's just original colors only, friends, at this moment in the Mi11X device. As you can see, no filters. I did not use any kind of filters at all. So I'm not using. So without using any kind of filters only, we'll be able to get this kind of experience while watching. Let me play again the video. Now you might be able to see it properly again. Let me turn off the lights again. Yeah, now there is no light in the room. Now you should be able to identify. Try to watch in the slow motion if possible, friends. As you can see, the transformation, how it happened in the Mi11X device little bit. Try to look at this area. So look at the colors in the Realme X1 Max. Yeah, you can see the black color crush issue, how it's falling. Yep, you can see this object as well in the Mi11X device. Nothing is happening in the Realme X1 Max. You cannot see those kind of issues in the Realme X1 Max. You can see how the transformation, yes. So this is going to be slightly kind of a big problem for the users who bought the phone to watch the viewing content, and maybe Netflix and YouTube, couple of other applications. So just a normal trailer, this is not the HDR kind of trailer, this is just a normal trailer which I'm trying to show you, comparing both phones of the black colors only. Let me know in the comment section below, friends, is the problem a really big problem for you or not? So green tint is kind of okay, because green tint can be visible only in the certain conditions, but black color crush issue will be visible while watching the videos. Not at all, not in full brightness, not in low brightness, doesn't matter what brightness you choose, the black color crush issue will be visible for your eyes. I'm not sure whether this can be actually fixable with the software updates or not, and a couple of other phones are also facing this similar kind of issues as well. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are your thoughts on this particular thing, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until next, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.